In this video, I'll show you how to redirect your Shopify 404 error pages to your homepage or any other page step by step. So without further ado, let's proceed. So first of all, get into your Shopify dashboard, and after that you have to click here on this content from the left hand side menus. So let's click on content, and then we have to click here on menus. And after that you will find this menu, URL redirects and create menu options. So we have to click here on this URL redirects option. So let's click on it. And after that you will find other options like export if you want to export all of your redirects, and then we have import. By using this option, if you have got hundreds of links that you want to redirect to a specific page, you can import them all at once through the CSV file, right? So since we want to redirect only one page, I'm going to click here on create URL redirect right here, and after that it is going to give us these options. One is redirect from. So basically this is our 404 page, so I'm going to copy this. Let's go back here and paste it here. So we are redirecting from this URL to this URL. So I want my visitors to be coming up here on this page, so I'm going to copy it and then paste it here. So most people do the redirects for the home page like this, but I'm gonna keep my collections page, and let's click on save redirect. So it's depending on your need, right? So now we are done with the setup. So now if I visit the same page again, just take a look, it is taking us to our collection page. So this is the process how you can redirect your 404 error pages to any page on your Shopify store. So I believe you have found this video helpful. If you did, please give this video a like. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good one.